How long does a premium roofing system like Resitrix last? Today we'll be going through the lifespan, durability and maintenance of the system. So like our other EPDM systems like Classic Bond and Firestone, the Resitrix has a 50+ year life expectancy. So it's BBA certified and fire rated for residential and commercial applications. It also has FLL certification for green roof projects. It's totally root resistant. It's 2.5mm thick and it's reinforced, so it does make it one of the most durable flat roofing systems on the market. It is incredibly hard to puncture. It's great for fire exits and walkways if needed. It also has a grain to it, a texture, so it's non-slip even when it's soaking wet like this. It can be used for roof terraces or balconies like this, providing there isn't any heavy garden furniture going on it like tables, such things like that. If you were thinking about putting tables or chairs on a balcony like this, then we'd recommend putting our rubber promenade tiles on top of it. So as Resitrix is pretty much maintenance free, it does make it a good choice for taller buildings where access is more difficult. As with all roofs, standard practice, cleaning the gutters out, cleaning any outlets. It's not Resitrix specific, but it is good practice. It's also FLL certification, nearly there. It also has, it's also FLL certificate. Bit too much that, Barry, I think.